winners. Look, day number 25 of I Wish I Knew. Oh my gosh, guys, I am so tired. Like, I just got home. I've been running all day. And you guys know, I've been on here all day. I thought, when I did my IG live, guys, I thought I'd talk to you guys for like 5 minutes. That thing was like 19 minutes. Y'all know it took like an hour to do that 15 seconds reel because I don't know what I'm doing. But here we are, day number 25 of I Wish I Knew. Look, I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm tired, I'm hungry, and I'm on camera again because I just love y'all and I love what I do. Amen. All right, and for day number 25, guys, this one right here is one that I did know, but many of you don't know. So I'm doing this one for you guys. And yes, get a notebook and get a pen, guys, because I told you guys I was going to keep it real. And I wish I knew, meaning y'all need to know that your credit, guys, some of you guys are not getting to the next level because of your money management, because of your budgeting, because of your savings, and because of your poor or bad personal and business credit, guys. And yes, it is a real, okay? It used to be kind of taboo to talk about, like, so many like the motivational speakers and the influencers that would just kind of speak life into you. But more and more and more, if you have been listening, guys, there has been a shift. If you have been listening, more and more and more people are saying, guys, you need to get your money, your finances, your credit under control to get to this next level, guys. And it is true. Before he can bless you with $1 million, you need to be a good steward over your 30,000. Let me say it again. Before he can bless you with $1 million, you need to be a good steward over your 30,000. So real quick, I wish I knew. Every single day in the evening for the next 30 days, we are on day number 25, guys. Only 5 more days left, okay? And this is all the lessons, blessings, wins, fails. There's so many entrepreneurs, small business owners, people going up their dreams or goals. Even if you just want to be a first-time home buyer, things that people just don't know are not talking about. Just a general conversation to help you guys get it so you can really see what this next level looks like. And guys, you know how many partnerships I work with, right? People doing JVs, joint partnerships, joint ventures. And let's say there's 3 of you and one of you has an 800 credit score, one of you has a 700 credit score, and then one of you has a 550 credit score. What do you think they're saying about you? Like, let's be real here. Don't be the weakest link. Do you know how many times they're thinking that everybody brought something to the table in the partnership, everybody brought something to the table in the joint venture, but if you're someone that you can't leverage at all, are you really bringing as much to the table as the other people? Guys, it matters. And whether you use me or not, this is not a plug for my services. Get some help for your personal and business credit no matter who you use. Just make sure they have the knowledge, skills, and experience to get you to where you need to be, and don't get scammed, guys. I mean, don't pay somebody $2,000 something and then don't get any results, and you could have used that $2,000 to actually fix it all up on your own. The credit repair costs more than the negative items on your report. Like, I want you guys to be smart about this. And so many times, like, there's been times where there's been partnerships, and there's somebody who cannot go on the deal, cannot go on the financing. How do you think that looks? Like, let's talk real for a minute. You're about to do business. Maybe you're about to open up a building. Maybe you're about to buy a building. Maybe you're about to form a company. And when they're going through all the financing, all the background stuff, because when you're doing business with somebody, it's going to come out. Look, you can't hide forever, okay? It's going to come out. And they're looking at you side-eye. Like, they're about to do hundreds and thousands of dollars, sometimes millions of dollars worth of business. And you're at a 550, a 600 because you have collections, because you have charge-offs, because you have repos, because you missed some payments on your credit card. How is God going to bless you with a team, with a staff where you have payroll for 10 people, 20 people, 30 people, and you're forgetting to pay 3 and 4 credit cards? Guys, you got to clean this part up. You know how many people wish that they had known how important their personal and business credit was in this journey and have had to shut their doors because they didn't qualify for the business loan. They didn't qualify for PPP. They didn't qualify for SBA financing. They didn't qualify. Maybe they had a hard money loan and maybe they wanted to refinance out of it, and they qualified for the hard money loan, but they didn't qualify for the refinance. So then the numbers weren't the same. They couldn't be a buy and hold and mess up their whole plan. Guys, so many people, if you really talk to the people that are wildly successful, they are going to tell you that your personal and business credit matters. And it's more than that, guys, right? Because this is where you're able to leverage. If you're using all of your own capital, that sometimes it runs out. That's why you need leverage. Like, how much would it help you if you could get financing to buy a property? Financing for your marketing, financing for your promo, somebody to do your online course, somebody to do your funnels, somebody to do your video recording, right? Somebody to do your video recording, somebody to do your social media, somebody to partner with you guys. It matters. And so no matter where you are right now, guys, get it together. I've even had people come to me because they want to switch their personal cell phone plans over to business. Guys, like my business line, like they approved me on the spot for like 45 lines. Like literally I just go there, I get a phone. I don't have to pay anything. Like they know my name at my store and everything. Everything's in my business's name. How much leverage would that give you if you could just get the equipment you needed, the financing you needed, the phones you needed, the electronics you needed, everything in your business's name, and there was no ifs, ands, or buts. Guys, stop letting people tell you no, and then you have to go ahead and use all of your own money, and now you're overextended. Everything, your utilization is maxed out. You use all of your savings, and the people in your life are looking at you like, thought you was building an empire. What happened? Guys, this is how you truly have leverage. I had the people that like got denied for some of the business cell phone plans that hired me to try to fix their credit. Guys, no judgment zone. Many people don't know about credit, don't understand credit, didn't understand how important it is. But I'm telling you, especially during this time, you don't know how many people got denied for SBA funding and have reached out to me. My phones have been off the hook because people are trying to get business lines of credit, business credit cards. They're trying to get mortgages. They're trying to refinance and they don't qualify. Guys, start from where you are right now and fix it. And I even want to say something to you. There's a reason why I'm doing this video, because it's not just because this is my industry. I understand how important it is because it's my industry, but I need you to change your perspective about this. Your credit, your finances, your budgeting. Guys, it's your financial integrity. It's your financial integrity. Yes, y'all, I want you to think about it. You go to a bank, you ask them to give you money. Let's say they give you a $50,000 line of credit, and then you promise to pay it back. Those are the terms. And then you just don't pay it back and the bank is out their money. That's your integrity. Now, granted, things happen, right? People lose their jobs. There's layoffs. There's death in the family. People are sick. I understand. There are circumstances. Sometimes people just don't know. But guess what? Now you know. And when you know better, you do better. So this is where you try to clean it up, resolve those things, and start from where you are, guys. Seriously, because this is where it's going to be a roadblock for you. It is. It's going to eventually come up. It's going to be a roadblock. And eventually, depending on what kind of business you'll have a great big portfolio. You have a bunch of investment stocks, bonds, everything else, and then it won't matter. But while you are in your building season, I need you to understand how important it is to have options, how important it is to have opportunity, and how you're throwing away so much money by having bad credit. I say this all the time. $100,000 mortgage, the difference between a 3% interest rate because you worked on your credit and a 5% interest rate because you did get the mortgage, but you got it at a higher rate because you didn't have good credit, is over $41,000, guys. Do you have $41,000 to throw away? Some of you guys are struggling financially. It's because you're paying so much more for your cell phones, for your cars, for your mortgages, for your credit cards, for your loans, because you're being hit over the head with all these high rates, deposits, late fees, and that's really why you can't get ahead. Like I told you, I was going to be real with you guys. It matters, okay? So start to clean up your credit, not now, right now. Personal and business credit. Don't be sitting at the table and you be the weakest link. You be the one that can't go on the loan. You be the one that can't get the business loan. You be the one that can't refinance out because of your credit. Because they're going to be looking at you. They may smile on your face right then and there, but they're going to be wondering, like, why am I doing business with this person and I can't even move forward? I have to have everything in my name because they're not financially stable. Guys, that's what it says. And so wherever you're at right now, understand, like, this is why this video is in 2021, right? They check your credit for everything, for cell phones, for utilities, for jobs, for apartments, for mortgages, for refinances, for hard money loans, for lines of credit, for cell phones, for utilities. I can go on and on and on. We are in a day and age that is very different from 10 years ago, 20 years ago. This is probably why you're hearing more influencers, more leaders, more people who are trying to help you with the mental part and the actual financial part too. They're trying to give you a full package. They're saying it matters. So get it together, guys. If you are watching this 30 days and you're on day number 25, I want you to look at your personal credit, look at your business credit, assess where you are right now, and set a goal and set a time frame. And guys, I have a bunch of free information. This is why I said this is not particularly about my brand. I have a free YouTube channel, over 300 videos. Guys, it takes me a good 3 hours, real talk, to make one video. Yes, if I'm one 15, 20-minute video, By the time I make the video, then I edit it, then I upload it, then I post it, then I do the descriptions, then I do the thumbnail, then I post it everywhere. It takes me a good 3 hours to do one video for you guys. Do you know how many hours and hours and hours and hours I invest in doing that? Don't you tell me I don't have money to invest in a course. I don't have money to invest in credit repair. I don't have money to invest in business credit builder program. I don't have money to invest in a strategy session, and you don't want to watch the free videos. Guys, the information is out there. The only thing you have to do is invest the time to watch and then the time to execute. And it's for your plan, your goals, but get it together. Everybody should be at least a 680 or above, 700 and above, and you should start to build your business credit right now, period. Because if you are an entrepreneur, investor, self-employed, side hustle, you want to have multiple streams of income, this is going to give you those multiple streams. And even if you're just a wholesaler, you can use your credit for the marketing. You can use your credit for driving around. You can use your credit for the signs. If you are a daycare, if you are a hair salon, if you are a baker, it goes for everybody, guys. But for today's I Wish I Knew, I need you to get your financial house in order. Don't work on the mental, work on the spiritual, work on the physical, work on the relationships, and you're not working on your finances, because how you do anything is how you do everything. Let me say it again. How you do anything is how you do everything. You have to be able to manage it at this level before he can increase you and giving you abundantly, exceedingly above what you expect and what you ask for. You have to show with the action, guys. So for today's number 25, day number 25 of I Wish I Knew, this one I knew about. And I know that you are spending so much more money, you are wasting so much more money, and you're going to have so many doors closed. It's going to stagnate your process if you aren't able to take grasp of opportunities, financial opportunities that will help you grow, help you leverage, help you build, help you have legacy. We're not talking about getting into debt. We're talking about building an empire that is going to precede you. People are going to say your name for years and years and years and years. Your children's children, your great grandchildren are going to know your name because you did the work right now. It starts with you getting your financial house, your credit, your budgeting in order. So yes, it does matter. You can pray, and do affirmations and do everything else. But when you go to actually get that business loan, you go to actually try to get that commercial building, you go to try to get things in your name. If your credit, personal and business is not in order, they're going to tell you no. And then you're going to have to find another way. It's going to cost you more money or your own capital. That's not wise. Got it good, guys. So for day number 25, I wish I knew, which I did, but this one is for y'all, that your personal and business credit, finances, budgeting, saving must be right, must be on point. Make a plan for that too, and that will help you get to the next level. Non-negotiable. Do not be at the table and be the weakest link. Okay? All right. I love you guys. Have a super amazing day on purpose.